Hey, okay, what's happening now? Why they want like you want block our hairdrop set?
I don't hear the horn since now. I believe the car wash with this.
So if na car wash in car, now only your car we go dey wash for here. I be say we sef no get customer. Yeah. You know how many car I don dey wash? All the car wey they use for Edo election, na here they wash am. Na wetin dey wash is day before yesterday.
Already calming down now. It's not fight now. Okay, how much you go wash my car? Beg, I dey in a hurry.
How much I go? Which car be this?
Are you blind? You cannot see that it's the Benz. And what has the brand of the car got to do with washing it?
Okay, I got to do with it oh. E got to do because as e dey like this, if you wan wash Benz, the amount is different from say we dey wash on normal car.
Why?
Because e be like say SARS never catch you before. Anybody wey dey drive Benz na yahoo boy. You understand? So the work wey I wan do now dey very risky.
Risky how now?
Now because I don't know whether SARS dey use satellite to watch me now. I fit dey watch your car now. Make dem come catch us for here. Say you wan watch, abi you no watch?
I beg. Okay, I am sorry, no vex. Just help me watch. How much you go cost?
10.5. Wetin be here? I say 3.5.
Okay, I just go.
Oh yeah, wind up. Wind up, make you off your engine.
Hey! Rihanna multiplied by Kim Kardashian. Jesus. Hey! Multiplied by Kim Kardashian. Hello, sweeties.
Hello,
How are we doing today? Okay. You girls are looking very ooh la la.
Thank you.
And you look like Rihanna.
Oh my goodness, that's my role model.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm so serious.
Can we take this inside?
Oh, sure. No problem. I'll take the consent. Yeah.
Okay, as per Rihanna. Okay, let's go.
Hello, beautiful.
What's happened? You shop face, then they do you. Now your door. You dey crazy.
Mama, calm down now. Wetin dey do this?
You know they look face.
Na extension wey lock na you go shock that your mouth. You dey craze. Before you be like I wan do it for one and you go tell where I know. No be hello beautiful dey talk now wey dey take carry all of na head taka. There. Now go just use na do ritual.
Now your mama they go take do ritual.
Now your papa dey go.
Now your mama
Asewo.
Thank you.
They go use to do that.
Hey, wetin I dey hear for here?
Zazie, I got
Now Rihanna, you dey call her Shawo like this. Why? What's going on?
Zazie, I got you. You don't need to worry, idiot. Get the fuck off.
No.
This one Rihanna.
They go, my brother.
Okay, I no wash your car again.
I beg, no wash now. Shoot.
Make I no wash again.
No wash.
Ah.
You never use have wash before.
Because of girl.
Okay.
What happened? Tenny, are you okay? I beg, don't mind this police guy, Joe.
Don't mind him, oh, sorry.
So, Zazie, where are you taking us to?
We can go anywhere you want to go to. I'm capable.
Oh my goodness.
Hey God, do you want iPhone?
Oh my God.
You want Benz?
I want Benz.
iPhone 14, iPhone 13, iPhone 12.
Oh my God.
Hey, go to open the service. Hello ma.
Where are you? I told you to wash my car since morning. It's 3 p.m. already. You will meet me at home.
Hey, hello. Hey, phone has called too. So ladies.
Japa.
Really? Yeah. Come now. Rihanna. Bad market. Ogbeni. How far? You know wash the car again?
Wash wetin? Hello, Oga. Your money na 19.5.
Oh, Barry.
Bossa for original mumu. Bossa. Shaki you too mumu. You too mumu.